Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Sharma. Imagine a critical situation where a fast-moving forest fire is threatening a local community, but emergency systems are either too slow to respond or risk broadcasting false alarm. This is the exact problem EcoGuard Agent solves for environmental safety officer and community directors. What is it? EcoGuard Agent is an automated environmental guard built using the Google Agent Development Kit. It belongs to the Agent for Good track, helping safety teams monitor air quality index level and wildfire while strictly securing all input and routing high severity alert to humans for final broadcast approval. At a glance, EcoGuard operate as a secure intelligence center that bridge local sensor data and emergency coordinator. Let's look at the flow of our system. When a user submit a query, it first enters our security checkpoint node, which scrubs sensitive PII and filter out prompt injection pattern. If it passes, it moves to the orchestra agent, which coordinates the work. The orchestra determines if a query requires wildfire statistics or pollution information, and delegates it our specialized sub-agents, wildfire analyst or pollution analyst. These analysts connect to the local model context protocol server to call tools like get active wildfire and get air quality. Once analysts report back, the orchestra routes the result. If it is a high 7Z threat, the flow reaches the same approval node, raising a request input pause for major validation before compiling the report into a final output node. Now let's see this in action with a live demo. First, I will submit a query about active wildfire. And as expected, the query passes the security checkpoint, is delegated to a wildfire analyst, and calls the get active wildfire tool. Since the fire is danger, the workflow halts and display a request input card asking for manager approval. I will type approve to proceed. Once approved, the final output compiles a bold dispatch message. Next, let's look at the air quality query. Since the AQI return is moderate, it doesn't require supervisor approval. The orchestra routes it directly to final output, rendering a standard monitoring report automatically. Finally, to make all this possible, the security checkpoint screens out phone number and email using a regular expression while validating that all location coordinate false within the standard geometric bound. Meanwhile, our local NPC provide direct standardized connection to real-world sensors from satellite heat and reading to regional air monitor. Ultimately, EcoGuard, that safety team can make lightning-fast decision during environmental crisis without risking data leaks, prompt exploit, or false broadcast panic. Thank you for your time. This is all.